Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video, we're going to show you how to do a battery registration on a BMW. So what we've done is we have gone to maintenance menu, and then under there you'll see the battery symbol, and it says battery registration. Then you select your make and model, and you'll come to this screen, and then it says display battery exchange history. It'll press number 1. It'll show when it was last registered, and this battery it seems like was never registered, even if it was replaced. It has not been registered since the car has left the factory, basically. So let's go back. What's important on this screen is the battery capacity. This is very important. You can see here it says 80 ampere hours AGM. So when you get a replacement battery, try to get the same type of battery. So in this case, it's going to be AGM, and also if the rating, if you are plus or minus 5%, you're okay, but you don't want to vary that too much. So if you are at 85, if it's a 75 ampere hour or 85 ampere hour, then you should be okay. But let's go back here. If you put a battery with completely different specs, like you go from AGM to lead acid battery, then you have to code it and it gets more complicated. But to register it, go to register battery exchange, press 2, and then here we have a few options. Enter battery exchange capacity, enter battery exchange higher or lower capacity, change from normal lead acid battery to AGM battery. So you can still code it, but ideally you want to stay with the same capacity battery. So press 1. No, it's not. Okay, so the battery exchange was successful, entered in the DME, and it was already reset, and it says last battery exchange, current kilometers, because it was just done. So press yes, press OK, sets the time and date, and that's it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.